Huh?
I told them I'm going with them.
Oh, okay, I'm going too.
I'm videotaping it.
You gotta wear pajamas?
Oh.
You gotta wear pajamas.
You have to. To go with us, you have to.
Pajamas?
Can they be kitty pajamas?
Yes. My parents have Jaguar pajamas. You should have giant pajamas.
I do actually, but they don't fit me anymore. I don't know.
I should wear my airy pajamas.
What does that sound?
Because you're an airy head.
I love how I got that on video. That's even better.
And again.
I win.
Someone should hit her. Throw something at her. Throw a napkin at her. You're supposed to crumble it up.
It was the only reaction.
Uh-oh.
Stop.
There we go.